I was working with a mining company where I had three specific groups in there. I had the mine planning group, which figures out where we go in the mine. The second group was the maintenance. They have these huge trucks. They're maintaining, making sure they're up and running and providing the services they need to provide. The third group was what they call the crusher. They bring the ore in, they break it up, and eventually they go and process it. Well, all of them had a cost reduction initiative. First group that kind of reported out about their cost reduction, they spoke about one of their key cost reductions they were doing was reducing how much explosive they would use. Significant reduction of their cost. They're saying, hey, we're doing a great job. We reduced our cost. Well, then maintenance stood up and said, well, let me tell you what's happening in our side. Our costs are skyrocketing. Because the ore is bigger, you're actually burning through tires, brakes, much higher cost of maintaining those assets. Well, the third group that stood up, the crusher stands up. Now, you remember last week when we had operational downtime and everybody's like, yes. They also reported that their costs had skyrocketed and because of this operational downtime. Well, what was the problem? The fundamental problem was the ore that was coming to the crusher was in bigger quantities, larger size. So it would bog down the crusher. They'd have to stop it, clear it out, or even repair parts to keep it up and running. Well, in the end, the decision on reducing explosives was a great functional impact, but the greater organization did not get the benefit of that. In fact, the costs were much more than what the cost reduction they were doing. And that's what business acumen helps you to do. Helps you to see the big picture of how everything connects. Then with your functional expertise, go back and say, what can I do to drive those results?